working on the back of Megatron today. Take everything out, clean it out, show you kind of what I put in the back of Megatron, what I have, why I have it, give you a little inside. So I've got the swing out shelves. I've got these little rail systems here. You can see one of the straps still left that hold the tires in. That's the Pro Eagle stand right there that we have into the bed for the jack. The other swing out. Some of the stuff that I hold in here. Then I've got my extra axle right here for the front. It's strapped into the top of the tank. This is a 60-gallon reserve tank. And then it's got a little storage unit in it, so that's where you fuel up. And these are some of the tools and some of the stuff that I have in the bed. And then you can see the bed's really dirty, so I'm going to clean it up. I've got my land anchor, fluids, the straps that are holding the tires, my toolbox, and then there's the tires right there and the ramps to let them down. It's real easy to adjust with the straps. Take it off, just have this guy, got a little clip here, so you can move stuff back and forth how you want it onto the rails. These are the swing cases. The toolbox goes right here, so it obviously can't swing out, but if I didn't have anything, that's what it's for. I've got some tools, my snatch block, extra fluids. I use Royal Purple for the truck. All right, got the bed pretty good and cleaned. Got all the dirt and mud out of the racks. This truck's got an 8-foot bed in it. Pretty clean. We did it.
Do I end?
Yeah. All right, this is how we do the tires right here. I've got the straps. Abel, hop up in there and try and push the tire around. Let's show them how sturdy it is. Yeah, it ain't going anywhere, is it?
Nope.
So it's a little cockeyed, but nothing bad. But this is how I keep it in. And it holds just fine going down the highway. All right, here we go. Round 2. All right, this is what it looks like with both tires. Got it strapped in. Abel, go ahead. Try and move it. It's not going anywhere, is it?
I can't even wiggle it like the other one. This one wiggles, but this one doesn't.
Got the toolbox strapped down. Always try and strap everything down so it's not fluttering around on the trail. Got the Pro Eagle jack in. It slides in up here. Then it bolts in up top here. I've got my land anchor, small little shovel that we use. So this is just driving around back and forth, daily driving, nothing off-road or anything like that. Got the step ladder back in there. Everyone always asks if it takes a step ladder to be able to get up in. I always make fun of it by saying I've got one in the back. So y'all have a good one, and we'll see you next time.